They're all running. Here, chick, 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 chick. Here, chick, 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 chick. Someone once told me when we travel, we're more lucid. And I couldn't agree more.
Good.
Don't tell Gary. What are we doing today?
Okay, so we are going to Storms River Mouth, which is a nature reserve. It is the start of the Otter Trail, which is a 5-day hike that they do here.
All I heard was pet otter. That's all I heard.
It's also a place where they do some scuba diving, a lot of kelp grass there, and then
Sounds
you can
scary.
go, there's different hikes in different directions, but we'll take you along the journey. It's a beautiful place. It's also campsites, camping grounds, tents.
I feel like you did not actually tell me what we're doing today.
We are going to exert ourselves with a lot of hiking and a lot of incline and decline.
So should I bring water or beer?
And I want to photobomb.
Both of them. Take a little bit of everything. Was probably going to need takeaway salad.
Okay, we have that.
Road
Check.
salad.
Road salad. Let's do this.
So we are in Storms River National Park, and we are right here at the start of the Mouth hike.
That's why we're not sweaty yet.
Yes.
We're gonna check this hike out. I've got the DSLR out right now, so you guys have to let me know if you like this. I have a beautiful piece of glass on. It's an 85 1.2 prime lens. This is my favorite lens, and I'm going to try to film most of this with this lens today. I'm going to switch between this one and the 24-70 on the Canon 5D Mark III. All right, let's do this.
It's a lot of butterflies.
You're a butterfly. But this is very, very beautiful. The sounds are different. I always say the song of the forest is different every place you go. Super, super cool. This is one of the things I love about traveling, is just getting out and seeing everything. The views to be seen at Tizikama are breathtaking, and even to close your eyes, you feel so connected to the earth.
What did you?
This is a whalebone. I think it's like the hip bone, right? It's incredibly big and dense. It's crazy to think about the scale of a whale. Pretty cool. I wonder how many places this guy swam.
Up there.
I have a little black lizard. We're about halfway up, and so far it's worth it. Sterl's carrying all the camera gear, but look at this little guy. Ah! There he goes. He's not happy with me.
Don't think you guys are going to be able to see it.
I moved onto a sailboat over 5 years ago. She's 29 feet. I have no mortgage, just blood, sweat, and tears into her improvements. I moved onto a sailboat to see the world. And because I live so small, I can take trips like these. Hello from on top of the world! Felt like a 20-kilometer run.
Hey!
Worth it. I don't know if you guys remember the incident at Screaming Panda. Flying Panda? Screaming Panda. Either way, Bianca convinced me to do this front flip and I didn't land it and I twisted my knee and it has not bothered me for a year. But today, my friends, I am hobbling like a hobbit and I feel very sad about it. So I think I'm not going to push it too much. I think I'm going to turn back and we're going to go check out Nature's Valley.
Hi.
Hello.
Make you nervous?
So now?
Or if you want to sleep with them.
Oh, not well. There's something wrong with them.
They are rescued.
Rescue elephants.
Yeah, they are all rescued elephants. Before they came here, they lost their parents, their orphans.
Oh, right.
Yeah, that's why they're here. That's what I'm asking. It's spotless. Yeah, so we're going into the forest. Let's go inside.
They're so big, it's kind of scary.
Watch out the opportunity to interact with them as well. So let's start with the introduction. We'll start with Marula.
All right. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. I'm Hanu, and this is our beautiful lady, actually our beautiful leader,
Okay.
Marula.
Marula.
25 years old, and she weighs about 3.5 tons. Shoulder height, 2.6 meters. Thank you very much. Danke schön and bye danke.
Okay.
Nice. And the outfit.
You got onto my phone inside my pocket.
I'm a little messy. A little boogered up.
Look at me. There's a fly on your lip. Open your mouth. The tongue landed.
Oh, that's so cute. That's so cute. Are they hold each other's?
Yeah, they follow Marula.
Straight into the snorkel?
Yes. You are good?
We just finished the tour. It is absolutely amazing. The elephants are so big. You really don't appreciate how large they are until you're standing next to them. And they're also covered in mud. I didn't know that we'd be getting so dirty. They're really sweet and well behaved and just incredibly interesting. It's so neat to look at such a large animal so close. So last night one of the elephants escaped here and they had to lure her back in with some melon, and that tapping you hear behind me is them fixing the steel fence, I'm guessing. They're pounding it back into shape so that the elephants can't escape anymore. I think she just wanted to go for an evening stroll. But now everybody's safe and back inside and ready for you to get your pet on for the small price of 100 kilos of food per day.
Between us on that picture.
Okay, so this is us before we have poop on us.
Monkey poop.
Cyril says we're gonna get pooped on more than normal.
think you are in
Looking through the woods here, we're getting eaten up by mosquitoes. The monkeys are in the background. It's pretty cool. I want to touch them. I want to touch everything all the time. And even if it's a one-finger touch, I will give it a 5-star rating if I can touch stuff. Here's a no-touch zone. No-touch zone. Mosquitoes. The lesser spotted mosquito. There's my cameraman.
Species has night vision. However, the species, and we only accommodate small primates, thus there's so
Comes to you. Let him stick his face in there. He's like, he's ready for his close-up. King it. What is he doing? Hi. Are you gonna bite me? Oh my gosh. I'm scared of you. He's ready for his close-up. And
intelligent. They've got really small brains. The brains are
Evil horns, though. Can we have some of these?
heck yeah.
Can we have one on the boat? Look at how its feces just drips down its back there.
My answer is yes.
today as well. So that's your thinly sliced. It's pickled ox tongue, and that's served on a.
Experience, I give it about a 5. The lemur coming up and checking us out definitely made it super cool, but
And it licked you.
it did lick me. I got a lemur lick,
It held my hand.
and I got the one-finger touch. So I feel like I'm winning today. So we're gonna go check out the birds now. Birds of Eden. I don't know what that means, but I want to get my one-finger touch on. It's a thing. Okay, and we have arrived. Is this their normal size?
No, it looks like a baby.
Reminds me of the Biodome. Do you remember that with Pauly Shore?
Reminds me of Jurassic Park.
It does, huh?
Where's the Velociraptor?
Nice for here.
If you look up, close your mouth. Go like this.
Ahead, they're asking for a pet. When they pin their eyes like that, they're aggressive and going to bite. They're stimulated. And when they slick their feathers, they're afraid. So I'm just mimicking him, and we're friends now.
It's amazing how quick his eye changes.
Yeah, if you know their body language, it's easy to make friends with them.
Wow.
So we've managed the one-finger touch.
We almost got attacked by an African grey now.
Yeah, so Timaya, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's Timah, African grey.
Easy, it's right here.
So the African greys have a red tail, and these other African greys that I'm speaking of are a little bit smaller, and they have a gray tail. If you're interested, I'm a little bit of a bird nerd, and I love parrots, and I want one again so badly.
What is that one at the bottom?
Pretty animal. Okay, you pass now. Let me see if he chases you down. Go. Did you see him hiss at me? Oh my. Birds of Eden, that was really beautiful. If you have allergies, make sure to take your Claritin before, because there's all sorts of foliage in there that I've never seen before. And also birds. A lot of parrots, a lot of indigenous birds. There were some pheasants that were so colorful it blew my mind. Super beautiful, so I definitely recommend them too. I give them like a 7. I felt like I was in. Where are we? Where are we? We made it!
We made it to Plettenberg Bay just in the nick of time to go to Robberg, is where you get cheap seafood in bulk prices. This is where the hotels and restaurants get their stuff.
So there you have it, my darling, some inside local information about where to get the good seafood. So let's go check this out right now.
Next time, eh?
Yeah, next time.
Yes, that's high tide there. Park inside there.
Do you feel like you're home now?
Yeah.
All right.
Leather wrapped wheel.
And I will be your captain today. You know, something to note on these boats in South Africa is the rigging just on any standard like 35-foot boat is that of a 60-foot boat that you'd find in the States. They don't mess around with their standing rigging.
Check all our steel boats as well.
It's the tiniest sailboat ever. Ah, I don't know that I'd call that a furler. This looks like one of those saddlers.
It's got a...
And here's a West Sail 32. I love the evil eye on it. That's super cool.
hard dodger.
Oh yeah, there's your hard dodger. Oh look, he did this thing that you were talking about right here. Oh, he's home. Wow. Okay. Okay. Hey, mister.
It's got one toe on the one
Aww.
That,
No, watch that last step.
we have it. And that bird is called Dorian. The same
Oh,
as
that's
him.
so cute. Okay, so
This is one of the big changes we made.
okay, I see. Yes, we have.
That's storage normally.
Okay.
I got tired of lowering this table all the time.
Uh huh.
So
You wanted to do this as well, huh?
So we got the nav station where you sit here,
right.
goes forward like that, and slanted back, and we got the double bunks on this side.
Yeah.
But we
I
have to
took out those
change the
virtually
storage.
no space
Oh, yeah.
up the front there.
Interesting idea.
Like spray foam that you
That I'm packing it up.
It's a really good idea. I like that idea. Interesting.
they don't really sail it there. They just ride it around.
Well, it's been changed. You know, the sails
full of
have been
sail
made
as a joke.
smaller. Yeah, we put a little bit of sail up.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Sailing the Sloan Star. And don't forget to like and subscribe.